How to hide blocked accounts on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipan Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide blocked accounts on Instagram. Now, if you're wondering why do blocked accounts show up on search and how you can hide them, then blocking an account only restricts your interactions with that account. It does not remove them from the platform, therefore their account still exists, and if you search for it, you'll find them probably, but you won't be able to view anything else. Now, if you are wondering on how you can hide your blocked accounts list on Instagram, then your blocked accounts list is already private and no one else except you through the access of your account will be able to view it. So if you have blocked a couple of users on Instagram and you're wondering if others will be able to see it, then no, they won't be able to view your block list until and unless they have access to your account, and it can be accessed through your account. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.